Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, October 28th, 2018, and it's weigh-in day. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday with your families. I'm sorry this video is probably coming up pretty late because we are going out to Frightmares at Lagoon right now, and I'm just quickly getting this video done, and so I am just holding the camera. Sorry about that. I didn't put it on my tripod or anything today because we need to get going, but I need to film this before we go. The Women's World photo shoot went really well this week. I am going to be posting a video in the next couple of days with the little clips we got from there. We didn't record a lot of it, but we recorded a little bit if you guys are curious to what it was like. It was pretty fun. Got somebody to do my hair and makeup. I'm still wearing my false eyelashes. Well, some of them anyway. She put in little clumps of them, and they're randomly falling out, but they're still attached, so weird. But we'll keep them for a little while. And then a stylist got to look at my outfits and try some of hers. So we ended up with one of the stylist's outfits and this purple dress that you may have seen over on Hide and Seek when I went to my second shopping trip, and also a red cowl neck sweater that I also got on that same shopping trip. I just posted that today, actually. So it should be up there. I think it was the spooktacular dance day video, if you want to check that out. But I am super excited about that, about the article and what it might do for us, for our community, for this channel, for the ability that we have to help people. So I'm counting on all of you guys to help me out with all of the new people that might be coming by in January, to get them on the right track, get them over to the Facebook group, answer their questions for me if I can't get to everyone, because it might get too big for me to be able to handle, but I know I can count on all of you guys to give me support and to help me out because you guys are awesome. So that being said, let's skip to the weigh-in so that we can discuss that, and then I gotta go to Lagoon. So as you can see, I weighed in today at 195.4. I don't know if you can hear my laugh in the video, but it just figures, right? It just figures. On Tuesday, I weighed in at 188. Never made it to the 187 before I hit that stupid water weight thing like I always do, but that's okay. It's coming, and I pretty much just have said that I've already made it there, so... But yeah, the 187 that I'm trying to hit is half my body weight. My starting weight on January 1st, 2017 was 374 pounds. So 187 pounds would be 187 lost, exactly half my body weight. So I'm kind of bummed that I didn't get to that goal before the end of October. But such is life, and things don't always go exactly how you hope, and you just have to roll with it. Yeah. It's my normal week for water weight gain. It's just how things work with my body, and I guess I should have expected it. I'm totally just relieved that I'm finally far enough down into the 100s that I don't have to see that evil 200 in front of my weight anymore. So I'm pretty happy about that, and I hope it sticks forever and ever, amen. You never know what life may bring, but that's what I'm hoping for. We'll see what happens in the future. It doesn't really matter what I change. It doesn't matter what electrolytes I do or what amount I eat. As long as I stay in ketosis, I still go through this cycle. It's the weirdest thing, but it's what my body does. So just, like I said, gotta roll with it. So I'm chill about that. I'm not worried about it. And I'm looking forward to having a fun day with my kids over at Frightmares at Lagoon. I'm not really a spook alley kind of girl, but maybe the kids might enjoy that. I know a couple of them are looking forward to the spook alleys, but most of them just want to ride the rides, walk around, see the smoke, see the characters. There's all kinds of witches and things and walking around and stuff. So it ought to be fun. We don't have to stay there all night. It looks like it's only going to be a 6-hour trip, which is why I got to hurry. So I'm looking forward to spending time with my family. I'm sorry that means this video will come out late. I hope you guys can forgive me on that. And I know you will, because you guys are all the best. I have the best subscribers that exist, and I am so grateful for all of your support here on this channel and also on Hide and Seek. It has been a wonderful blessing to have all of you in my life, and I am so grateful every day that I have the opportunity to know you, to learn from you, and to teach you. It has been a crazy, amazing ride, and it's just getting started. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like button, give me some support, make a comment down below if you have any questions. Join our Facebook group for support and on getting started with your own weight loss journey. The link is in the About section below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on a ketogenic lifestyle and how you can lose weight too. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.